Musah Darkwah, Mami Musah way. Researchi boy kakra. Hina mukoye no nipa sen am no mudi nkomo mo eji say am ye methodology bibia ya na bi mu pese o mu hu no. Fire firm kakra wadaroma.
Yo, here mo to remember no. Interview no. I was 16 regions. I was Ghana Helena.
Okay.
Yeah, interview nipa 3,570 delegates, polling station delegates from 271 of 275 constituencies by telephone.
Pacho, I don't know, and some of the told Jano, but could be here, make a crass. Nipa be ohamo bupa di onunum se omo ye undecided sanity na omo no die nti na omo gina so kasa se omo twen kakra na se omo ntimi nsi ginaye
eno de yem bi se omo ginaye omo de twin sa just a question na yem bi the reason behind your choice at that stage.
Okay, now 34%, 27, Kennedy 12. Omo call many way betima sana.
Definitely a better because 8.9 say omunim someone can't say. So omu ye Alan Fu yendim. Omu ye Baumia Fu yendim. Omu ye Kena yendim. Omu ye Ajakuswan yendim. We don't know their actual choice. Omu si omunim. It's one country.
Now, more interview omo no trend no regions no baby amugo call no. Now regions ni be show say baby ani pani free no omo penasemo ana.
But it's not very clear. We fear the Ashanti region. We fear Alan nya Ashanti region any history. Does it mean say omo pe Alan ana? Something is happening now. You know, we should be very watchful of both situations. Almost come out and say, and now we on the capital. Don't know if the Ashanti region, it's region, and Buta region. Why?
That's $1 million question.
Yes, we don't know.
Okay, and you know, from now till August, say if it is possible, so I'm be Super Congress now. Are you preparing for another research?
Super Congress in the end of the empire because I need a Congress. Yeah, grassroots polling station executive one. The first one. The best second one October. It will come on the train. October, next one, the October. Among delegates.
Okay. Mami Famsi Amedasi.